Have you ever had that moment when your dreams feel like stars in the sky, but the fear of not reaching them cloud your path? Imagine applying to colleges as putting together a complex jigsaw puzzle. Every piece matters. We get it. It's overwhelming. We have met students just like you, worried they might miss their chance. It's like having a diamond but not knowing how to make it shine. Thinking of it as a roller coaster of emotions, excitement, nerves, and the hope for a fair shot. We understand it's your dream and we are here to make it real. And the solution is AppliSprint. In this program, we will provide you with all these services. That's why we are offering financial aid. We believe that every dream deserves a chance, no matter the budget. With financial aid, you can embark on this transformative journey alongside with us. So what are you waiting for? Join us in this transformative AppliSprint program, where dreams meets reality. So see you in the AppliSprint program that makes your future bright, where stars align. So thank you. See you in the program.